Hey developers, today we are going to learn about reflection. So, what is reflection? Basically, reflection is a concept in Java to know about the metadata of a class. Metadata in the sense the knowledge about the class, its methods, and its field. So basically, reflection help us to inspect and modify classes, method, fields, and constructor at runtime. So for the understanding of reflection, I have created one sample Java project called org.reflection under which I have created two classes. One is my class, which we are going to intercept today, and the reflection.demo class, which we will be using to intercept the my class.java. So at the first step, you can see I'm using class.forename. So what is class.forename? Basically, it is help to load the class dynamically. Then with the help of .get declare constructor .new instance, I'm creating the object of the class. And then with the help of class.get declared method, I'm calling this method greet, which is private. Now, with the help of class.getDeclared field, I'm calling the field role, which is also private. Now, to break the access control, I'm making method as well as for the field I'm making dot set accessible true. So, with the help of dot set accessible true, you are breaking the control mechanism of the class field and method. Now just I'm just invoking the particular method, and here also I'm just setting the field. I'm just changing the field value here. Previously it was guest, now I have make it as admin. So with the help of this one we will be understanding, okay, role updated via reflection. Now once we will be executing the class, you can see we are able to get the data. So guys, this is all about reflection today. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment down below what all the other concept you wanted to learn in the next classes. Till then, bye, take care, happy coding.